Hey Tenny fans, Mike Tenny here. Over the summer, we have some things going on at school. No classes right now in July, but we do have some things happening. Some of you will be very excited to know that we have a new drum kit. So I'm going to replace this drum kit behind me. I hope I know how. Wish me luck. It doesn't seem like the new one came with directions, but I'll see if I can pull it off. All right? Good news, turns out they do have directions. Thankful for that. Hopefully this will make it a lot easier. This is very helpful. I got an empty box in the box.